quick here out of the clean the frother. You just want to click the 2 buttons on the side, pull the frother down, and you want to take the assembly out, and you want to let this soak in white distilled vinegar for about half an hour. Once you do that, you want to take the tool, the cleaning tool that comes with the kit right here, and you want to clean any of these small orifices so that way you can get any hard buildup that may be stuck in there. Once you're done, you're going to take the frother, you're going to put it back on until you hear a little click. You're going to plug the hose for the frother back in, and then you want to get a small cup of white distilled vinegar. Hold that tube in there. You want to click the milk option, click it again here, it's going to start. And you want to basically let the vinegar run through the machine so that way it can clean out any of the buildup that may be stuck in the hoses inside the machine with the white distilled vinegar. So once that process is finished, it should frother milk perfectly fine.